So, go naman tayo sa other compensation. So, we have sample here for overtime. So, i-click din natin yung date, compensation, kung ano yung compensation na nandito. Okay. Tapos, yung kung ano yung DB, tapos account number, name, payroll, yung amount. Pag merong na-withheld na tax, ilagay natin dito. The same thing, pag meron ditong unknown ID, update natin check natin sa employee database natin. Kasi the same thing, hindi rin tayo makakapag-close kung may unknown ID dito. Okay? Then after that, pag that's maging code, ilock lang din natin para hindi natin na maiwasan natin yung unintended na pag-edit. The same also, meron din extract checker. Kung gusto nyong i-download muna lahat ng unknown ID at i-manually check. So, we have also the year-end bonus sample. We have the amount kung merong tax withheld. So, ganun lang din. The same uh, with the salary.